Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to log into your WooCommerce store dashboard. Whether you're a seasoned online store owner or just starting out, accessing your dashboard is crucial for managing your store effectively. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open your web browser. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. This can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you usually use. Step 2. Enter your site URL. In the address bar, type in your WooCommerce store URL followed by WP admin. For example, if your store is yourstore.com, you would enter yourstore.com.wp admin. Press enter on your keyboard. Step 3. Access the login page. Once you press enter, you will be directed to the WordPress login page. Here, you will see fields where you need to enter your login credentials. Step 4. Enter your username and password. In the designated fields, input your username and password. If you're not sure of your credentials, you can check your email for the initial setup details or use the password recovery option if needed. Step 5. Click on the Login button. After entering your login information, click on the blue Login button. This will take you directly to your WooCommerce dashboard. Step 6. Explore your dashboard. Once you are logged in, you'll see the dashboard interface. Here, you will find various options to manage products, orders, customers, and settings for your WooCommerce store. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout and tools available. Step 7. Log out when finished. After you have completed your tasks in the dashboard, it's a good practice to log out for security reasons. To do this, hover over your username in the top right corner and click on the Log Out option. Remember, if you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your username and password, or consider clearing your browser's cache if the page doesn't load properly. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to log into your WooCommerce store dashboard easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.